A, astronaut. Good job. Do it with me. B, baby. Good job. C, cactus. Good job. D, dolphin. I want to see you do the motions with me. E, escalator. Good job. F, fountain. Good job. G, goose. H, helicopter. Very good. I, igloo. Good job. J, jaguar. K, kangaroo. Hug your kangaroo. L, lemon. N, nest. Good job. O, otter. Good job. P, penguin. You have your hands on the side of you. Good job. Q, queen. R, river. Good job. S, salamander. T, turtle. You have a turtle on one side and the other, and there's his arms. Turtle. T, turtle. Good job. U, umbrella. Your mouth is open. Good job. V, your lip is vibrating. And you're going to have a hole, and you're going to get the volcano to erupt. Everyone do it. Good job. W, watermelon. Good job. X, Y, the yo-yo. Z, good job. Now we're going to do some rhyming. Make sure your arms are ready. I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to put your arms out and see if they rhyme. All right, here we go. Fun, run. One more time. Fun, run, un. Good job. They rhyme. Same ending. Next word. Ears. Okay. Nice, price. One more time. I want to see you use your hands. Nice, price, ice. Very good. That was the ending. Good job. Broom, room. One more time. Broom, room. What's the ending sound? Boom. You're right. They rhyme. The ending's the same. Next one. Crowd, loud. You do it with me. Crowd, loud. Out. You're right. Next one, you're going to do it all by yourself. Big pig. You do it. Big pig. What's the ending? Big pig, egg. You're right. They rhyme. Next word. Tan, fan. And. Good job. Next one. Deep sleep. One more time. Deep sleep. Eep. Good job. They rhyme. Why do they rhyme? Oh, the ending says eep. Good job. More, store. More, store. What's the ending sound? Or. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. You're doing so good. Next word. Split, fit. You do it. Split, fit. It. You're right. Do they rhyme? They do. Good job. Good job. Now we're going to do the beginning sound. Get your arm out. I want to see you. The arm is out. Beginning sound. I'm going to say it, then you're going to say it. Boat. Boat. B. Beginning sound. Very good. Cat. Cat. K. Good job. Desk. Desk. D. Good job. Fall. What's the word? Fall. Very good. 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 G. Good job. Happy. Happy. Very good. Kids. Kids. K. Good job. Gem. Gem. J. Very good. Leg. Leg. Ooh, very good. Mom. What's the word? Mom. Good job. Now I'm going to say two words and you're going to put it together and say the word. Ready? Bedroom. Bedroom. Good job. Cowboy. Cowboy. Good job. Teapot. Teapot. Flashlight. You're right. Flashlight. Good job. Playground. Playground. Awesome. Pancakes. Pancakes. Good job. Snowball. Snowball. Good job. Weekend. Weekend. Rainbow. Rainbow. Wow, you're doing a great job. Now we're going to do the ending sound. So the other arm goes up. I'm going to wait for you. You're almost there. Ending hand goes up. Very good. Now we're looking for the last sound I say. Smile. 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 Ooh, very good. Game. 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 What was it? Very good. Run. What's the word? Run. Run. You're right. The ending sound was Stop. What's the word? Stop. What's the ending sound? Stop. Very good. Class. 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 It's the S at the end. Very good. Coat. Coat. Ch was at the end. Very good. Red. Red. D was at the end. Very good. Fuzz. Fuzz. Z was at the end. You're doing so good. Job. Job. B was at the end. Very good. Have. Have. It's the V at the end. Very good. Now I'm going to say a word and you get to make them into two different words. So it's going to be a compound word. Here we go. Driveway. What's the word? Driveway. Driveway. Good job. Policeman. What was it? Policeman. Policeman. Very good. Next word. Fingernail. What's the word? Fingernail. Fingernail. Good job. Newspaper. What's the word? Newspaper. What is it? Newspaper. Very good. Grandmother. Grandmother. Good job. Popcorn. What's the word? Popcorn. Popcorn. Very good. And that's all we have time for today.